I welcome you back to our next teaching on binomial expansion using Pascal's triangle. In our last class, you can check our previous video and you'll see the one we treated. Today, we are going to be treating when the values inside the bracket are negative instead of the positive we treated last time. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and as well ring the bell so that whenever we post videos, you can get it. Peck tutors. All right, so let's see. Give an example such as this. If your value were to be x, okay, let's say your value were to be 2x minus y. For example, a value were to be 2x minus y, for example, raised to power 6, and they ask you to expand this. How do we go with our expansion here? Now, the same method, remember, that we used in the previous video is the method we're going to be using here, irrespective of the negative. But the negative definitely is going to cause some certain things. That's why I decided to even treat it in the first place. So let's move ahead. Remember, we have to multiply the two and then raise it to the first power. So our first guy here, this guy here will be 2x, as the case is, raised to power 6, y raised to power 0. Because the one carrying the negative here is y, so we'll place minus y raised to power 0. Then plus, we go again, 2x, two of them raised to power 5, then minus y raised to power 1 again. Then we go again, where it's plus 2x raised to power 6, raised to power 4, minus y raised to power 2, plus 2x raised to power 3. As this is decreasing, y is increasing, minus y raised to power 3, plus 2x raised to power 2, then minus y raised to power 4, then plus 2x raised to power 1, then minus y raised to power 5, again plus 2x raised to power 0, and minus y raised to power 6. So here we have guys. I'm going to have much work to do here because we have to break these ones down before we even go straight to Pascal's triangle in the first place. So let's have this. So you have 2 raised to power 6 is 64. So here we have 64. So next, 64x raised to power 6. As the case is, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So the whole of this has gone to 1. Plus, you have here 32 x raised to power 5. Then you have minus y here. Okay? Then plus, for this guy, you have 16 x raised to power 4. Then you have minus y raised to power 2. Plus, I'm just trying to go gradual. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Then x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3. Then plus, we go again. So you have 2 times 2 is 4. So you have 4x raised to power 2. Then you have minus y raised to power 4. Then plus, you have 2x. Because raised to power 1, still the same. You have minus 5, y raised to power 5. So you have this. All right, so having done this, now let us go back to these guys. We did not actually touch y. So let's go back and touch the values of y. So we have on this, obviously 64, x raised to power 6. But first of all, check your y. Y is minus y raised to power 1. Okay, so minus is here. Minus times plus is minus. So we have here as minus instead of plus. So we have 32, x raised to power 5, then y. Because minus has come to. So this place now is, will it be minus or still retain plus here? Now remember, everything here is squared. So it's like saying minus y times minus y. Minus y times minus y is plus y. So we have plus here, 16, x raised to power 4, we have y. Then plus, let me not even put it here because we don't know what will be there. Now this is odd number. So 3 minus y times minus y times minus y will give you minus. So you have 8x3, then y 3. Then we'll move again. Will this be plus or minus? Now, please note, if you check the trend as it's going, even, anyone that y has even power, anywhere that y has even power, the place is negative, the place is positive. Anywhere that y has odd power, the place is negative. So we have odd power here. Where is it? So for this odd power, even power here to be positive, 4x raised to power 2, then y raised to power 4. Then y here is odd. Y here is odd. So y here is odd. So we have so y here is odd. So we have negative there. So we have minus. So we have minus. Minus there. You have 2x, and then you have y raised to power 5. Then y is even here. Power is even here. So we have plus y raised to power 6. So having done this, we have this. Now, in time to put our coefficient, how many times are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's time to put in our coefficient. Now, how do we put in our coefficient? Plot a Pascal's triangle for power 6. So we go 1, remember, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, then 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Okay, so this is our concern because this is seventh, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so that's the sixth. Now we go ahead. These are the coefficients, they are complete. So we'll put it into these places that we have here. So you have the first guide here is 64, but remember coefficient here is 1. So 1 in we still give us 1 times everything there, we still give us the same thing there. So we'll have 4x6 done minus we have 32 here, but before the 32, remember the coefficient here is 6, so you must apply it 6 into 32. X raised to power 5, then y, get, then plus is the next. What coefficient is there? 15. So you have 15 into 16, then x raised to power 4, then y raised to power 2. Yeah, y raised to power 2. So you have plus, sorry, the next one will be minus. Okay, so the next one is 20 here, 20 into 8, x raised to power 3, y raised to power 3, then plus, I think the next one should be plus. Coefficient there is 15 as well. 15 into what is there? 4, x raised to power 2, y raised to power 4. Then you have 6 again. 6 into what is here is okay, is 2y, sorry, 2x, y raised to power 5. You have that. Then plus what's the coefficient here is 1. So you have y here is y raised to power 6 because 1 times anything there is still the same thing. So have equal to. Now time to multiply these values with the values inside the bracket, and then we are done. So let's see what happens at that point. 6 times, okay, let's write as 64 x6 first minus 6 times 32. I think should give us 192. Yeah, 192. Then x raised to power 5 y. Because 15 times 16 is 240. Yeah, 240 x raised to power 4, y raised to power 2, minus 20 times 8 will give us 160. Yeah, 160 x raised to power 3, y raised to power 3. Then plus 15 times 4 will give us 60. 60 x raised to power 2, y raised to power 4. Then you have another one here, minus 6 times 2 is 12. Then x raised to power 1, yeah, x, then y raised to power 5. Then plus, you have the last one, y raised to power 6. So this is the expansion of, 2x minus y all raised to power 6. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me, as usual, give you one assignment for you to do by yourself and check if you got it. So this is, let's assume we have x minus 2y, yeah, x minus 2y raised to power 5. I think you should do that by yourself and see what you're going to get.